Hey, I'm Cristiano from Excel Turbo, and this is Jordan Goldmeier from Excel TV.
That's right.
We are here to invite you for the Global Excel Summit that will take place in April in London, and it will be great. Jordan will be talking about ideas into business for Excel freelancers, right?
That's right. Not just for freelancers, but for entrepreneurs, anyone who wants to get into the game. The time is now. I'm going to show you how, at least got as far as I did. We'll all learn together. It's going to be awesome. And what are you talking about?
I will be talking about a panorama, and this is nuts because we have this view. We are talking about a panorama of data analysis, how people have been using Excel in Brazil, in other countries that I've been there, and how they see Excel today for data analysis.
That's right. So it's a global perspective for a global summit.
Yes. And make sure you will be there, but you have to run to get your tickets because
That's right.
you have the offer of the early bird.
That's right.
That will be only up to this Monday
22nd.
22nd. Yes, the last date to get. They will change from 22nd and 23rd, and you have to get the best price. I have a discount, is Cristiano minus 10%, and Jordan has. You can use
minus 15%.
15. Okay, use Jordan. I know that he is the TV partner, the media partner of the event. Use. How is the discount? They have to know.
Yeah, it's just excel.tv minus 15%. It's that whole thing. Check out our Facebook page. It has it right on there. But also, some people should go to yours too. You know, everyone should figure out how they're gonna attend, no matter how you do it, no matter what discount code you use.
Yeah, even if you are looking to this video after some days, don't hesitate to buy your ticket because it will be huge. It will be global. We are getting people from the US, Bulgaria, all over the world, Nigeria, and it will be a great opportunity to meet great guys of Excel community.
And that's right. And we're going to do a special Excel TV happy hour for the people. But everyone, I think, is going to be welcome to join. So it's going to be awesome. Last time Excel TV kind of had a party at the MVP Summit. Everyone was around our table. So I don't know if we're going to be able to top that, but it's going to be awesome.
Awesome. Make sure you will be there and subscribe to the page and the YouTube channel Excel TV and Excel Turbo and also Global Excel Summit.
Also Global Excel Summit. Awesome. All right.
See you.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey.